Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So yesterday, talked about how you find those short-term levels. And I hope some of you put that on. These were the key high and lows that I was looking at. I didn't save them on the chart at the end, but you can go back and watch where I was drawing them to. So we had 51.90, minor level 52.17. Coming up, closing on that 51.90, then spiking. What would spike do? 52.1860, and then sharp reversal. So, I mean, we're not trying to use these levels to call tops or bottoms. We're trying to use them to take actions. So let's say you bought this breakout, out of this. Okay, it's going higher. These are levels you can move up your stop. Okay, and so maybe you'd still lose some money, but at least you'd, okay, it hit a key level. Let me move up my stop, maybe even just below the rotation zone, because if it doesn't catch then, we could have a collapse. And we had a collapse right down. So now it's rallying slightly back up into the congestion area again. And just like before, if you wanted to now, let's say you were looking what would happen if it went lower, we could drag these down because we're getting a correction bar, and so you'd be looking at 49.50 in conjunction with this low, so that reinforces this low, and then 49.20. All right, so what are we watching for? Key resistance right now about 5,082 to 5,100. If we get through there, then I just start watching if this stays in congestion again. First level of resistance above there, about 5140. Next key area, 5200. We'll just call it 5200. To the downside, again, 4920 is the major level. And then below that, 4840. Let's switch out to the daily chart. So you can see right now we're trading back inside the rotation zone. And this 4840 is reinforced by the bottom area of the rotation zone. So on another move down, that's your major key area to watch for. Below that, as we talked about, 4624 area with the 200. Switching over to Ethereum, putting those same levels up, gave us 169.54 to 170.58. Coming up just shy of 170.58 to 170.52. Then sharp reversal back down. We then talked about if we broke below this key support to watch for the 50% retracement. 156.93, we talked about 157. We did bounce just below it, now rallying back up. So key resistance now coming in about, I'm going to call it about 163.50 to 164. Above that, then we're back in congestion. I'd watch for a return to about 167. We're getting the separation of the rotation zone, so if this rotates back down, then your next areas of key support, we have 152 and 149. Let's switch over to the daily chart, though. Daily chart, you see right now we're trading at the very bottom of the rotation zone, 152, 149. I'd be focusing on about 151. So where we have the flattening out 200, the rising 50, and then the key level on the 4-hour chart. If we broke through that, then that 149 level would be what we'd be looking for next. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.